In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a useful Notion template. The first thing you want to do is create a template that solves one clear problem. This is what makes people actually interested in downloading or buying it. Instead of building something that tries to do everything, focus on one specific result. Like, for example, your template might help someone organize class notes, plan social media content, manage client work, or track business goals. The more practical and outcome focused it is, the easier it will be to explain and market. Next, choose a specific audience for your template. This step is important because students, creators, freelancers, and business owners all have different needs. When you know exactly who the template is for, you can make better decisions about what to include and how to present it. A student template should feel simple and academic, while a freelancer template might need client tracking and project organization. Being specific helps your template feel more valuable and relevant. Once you know the problem and the audience, make the template clean, easy to duplicate, and beginner friendly. Keep the layout simple, avoid clutter, and use clear labels so someone can open it and understand it right away. If a person has never used Notion before, they should still feel comfortable navigating your template. It also helps to include a simple structure that users can copy and start using immediately without having to redesign anything themselves. After that, create screenshots or a short demo that shows how the template works. This gives people a visual understanding of what they are getting. Good screenshots should highlight the most useful parts of the template, and a quick demo can show how everything flows in real use. Try to make this part as clear and practical as possible because visuals often make the difference between someone scrolling past and someone deciding to purchase. When your template is ready, publish it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or your own website. Choose a platform that feels easy for you to manage and that matches where your audience already shops. Make sure your listing clearly explains what the template does, who it is for, and what benefit the buyer will get from using it. Then promote it using TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter Docs. Short form content works especially well because you can quickly show the problem and how your template solves it. Focus on clear, useful messaging instead of overcomplicating the promotion. Finally, collect feedback, improve the template, and update your listing regularly. This helps you make the product better over time and shows potential buyers that it is active, useful, and worth trusting.